Now, on matters the COVID-19 pandemic, the country on Thursday recorded the highest number of coronavirus cases after 213 people tested positive for the disease. The latest statistics coming on a day the country registered the highest daily fatalities, with 10 people succumbing to the virus, bringing the total number of deaths resulting from the disease to 117.
The country on Thursday recorded the highest number of coronavirus cases, with 213 people testing positive within a period of 24 hours. The Ministry of Health, however, attributing the high figures to the huge number of samples tested, which stood at 6,024, the highest since the first case was reported.
And this is what has taken us to the three-digit figures of 100 and just above 100. If you look at it in that relationship, this number is not that alarming, because it still translates to about that level we are seeing of about 70 positive tests for every 2,000 tests tested.
The number of fatalities also rose to 117 after 10 more people succumbed to the virus. Out of the 10 new fatalities, one succumbed to the virus at home, with the ministry warning that such trend is likely to continue.
Therefore, home deaths will occur because there may be such individuals who will pick a virus from maybe a family member or somebody visiting the home or somebody they've interacted with. And this person then might very rapidly deteriorate without knowing that is actually the COVID virus.
Usually people who die at home means they're most likely symptomatic and they are shedding the virus in huge quantities. And in the spirit of Africans, as we care for the sick, then that puts the immediate members of the household at risk of transmission of disease.
7 out of the 10 fatalities had pre-existing conditions. 4 had diabetes, 1 hypertension, 1 bone cancer, and another was HIV positive. The total number of confirmed cases in the country now stands at 4,257, with the cumulative number of samples tested to date standing at 130,498. Nairobi is still leading with 136 new cases, Mombasa 32, Kajiado 13, Kiambu 7, Busia 5, Nakuru and Machakos recorded 4 cases each, while Garissa and Isiolo recorded 3 new cases each.
This requires serious soul searching by residents of these estates on what it is that they are not doing right.
106 people were also discharged after making full recovery, bringing the total number of those who have recovered to 1,459. The fight against coronavirus received a boost after Base Titanium and Stanbic Bank donated 1,344 COVID-19 test kits and 192 high-flow nasal oxygen therapy devices that are worth 147 million shillings to the Ministry of Health.